We're now going to do fractional or off-hole backstitch, which is the same thing. So you can see that every single backstitch line we've done so far has begun and ended on a grid, an intersection of the grid. So you've gone from one hole to another because each crossover on the grid represents a hole on the Ada, and that's been the same here. But when you get to the G, you can see here that the tail of the G, it comes into the middle of the side of a square and here. So that's a fractional. These are 3 fractional backstitches or off-hole backstitches. And it's exactly the same as doing a fractional cross stitch in the sense that you're just going to pierce through the middle of the side of the Ada square with 2 strands on each side, and then you're simply going to make the stitch really as shown, so that it will go halfway through the square. So just come here, look in your Ada for the middle, push the needle through, makes that there. I need to come up, here we are, got it through the middle of those 2, and along back down through the same hole I created in the middle there, come back up through that hole and in through there. And that's just how you do the fractional or off-hole backstitch. So the next thing we're going to do is the French knot in the eye.